everyone, this is Joy with Joyfully Made Home. Thank you for coming back and joining me today. Today we are going to be doing an unboxing and I am so excited for this. I just signed up for the subscription box. It is called Cool Stitches. I do pay for this out of my own pocket, so I'm not sponsored or anything. This is going to be my honest opinion. And I already actually filmed this entire video once and it wasn't filming, so we're gonna do this again. So the first thing you get when you open the box is this wonderful letter from Debbie. She is the founder of Cool Stitches, and she's just so sweet. I had to reach out to her for some customer service questions when I first signed up for the box. And she was just on top of it, just so wonderful. Now, what I subscribe to is the bag making box, and she gives everything you need to make 2 to 3 projects in this box, which is amazing. So the first thing we're gonna pull out is this little blue baggie, and these are thread minders, which I needed some of these anyway. So this is really awesome to receive. And this you just put around your spool of thread and it keeps your spool of thread from unraveling. So really do appreciate getting some of these. The next thing that is in here is a sewing needle. It is just for making the project, and it goes on it's a regular sewing needle for your machine. So she literally gives you everything that you need to do this, except for the machine, of course. And the thread that matches the project. So apparently the project is going to be red. And this is also awesome that she sent these thread minders to put around this spool of thread so it doesn't unravel in my sewing box. We've got some hair ties, and I'm sure this is going to go along with the project that we're making. Some elastic, some Velcro, and a button. And then we have 4 fat quarters, and we've got, in my box, I told her I like adventurous colors, bright, exciting. If you can't tell, I'm not afraid of color. So I've got some red, and then to go with that red, to balance it out, I've got a black and white floral, and then 2 of these gray and white polka dot patterns, which is really awesome to have the fabric. And then 2 pieces of candy. That's awesome, because we all get a little snacky when we're working on a project. And so the pattern that came in here is the road trip folio case. And in here is every step-by-step guide on how to make this pattern. And then we have the fusible fleece, I can't talk today, to make this pattern. And the interfacing that we'll need as well. So we're not gonna have to go to the store for anything to make this. And then here's a code to get the referral program for the Cool Stitches box. And I will be putting the code in the description box down below. So make sure to look for that. And then Sally Tomato is our featured designer for next month. So next month's Cool Stitches box is going to be featuring Sally Tomato, which is a great designer, and I definitely recommend that you check them out. They also have some great zippers and zipper pulls and hardware on their shop. And then the second pattern that we're gonna be able to do everything for is this luggage tag. So everything in here will not only make this project case, but also an additional luggage tag. She sent some bias tape that she made herself, which is fantastic to have bias tape. And then please let me know down below if you would like me to do a video on how to make bias tape. I know that it's not something that every beginner knows how to do, and it's not difficult, and I can show you an easy way to make bias tape. And but let me know down in the description box below. We also have some waterproof canvas to use to make our project case with, which is awesome. There is a 9-inch zipper black to go with the fabric choices. And then we also have the vinyl that goes with this project. And then there's some Velcro as well. So we have everything in here to make both of these projects, the luggage tags and the road trip case. We have the fabric, we have the pulls, we have the elastic, the vinyl, everything we'll need. So this is fantastic. This box is not very expensive, although at the moment I cannot remember how much it cost, but I will leave that information as well as a link to Cool Stitch's website down below. So please check out the description box for all of that information. Also, after I make this case, I'm going to post it on my Instagram in my Insta stories. So please go there to check that out. Give me a few days to make this. My dog has been sick, so I had to take him to the vet. So I have to take him for a follow-up visit. So it may take me an extra day or two to get that done, but it will be in my Insta stories within the next week. Please follow me there. It's Joyfully Made Home, just like my YouTube channel. Please feel free to email me at joyfullymadehome@gmail.com if you have any questions or if there's anything that you'd like me to put on my prayer list to pray for. I'd love to pray for you. I'm going to be doing some more subscription box here in the... I can't talk today, I'm sorry. I'm going to be doing some more subscription boxes here in the near future. I have to subscribe to another sewing box as well as some cooking boxes to see if you guys like any of those. If you have anything that you want to see, please let me know, and I'd love to be able to put it together for you. We're trying to grow my YouTube channel here. I would love any advice that you might have or anything that you want to see a video on. Let me know if you want to show you how to make an easy way to make bias tape, because it's really not difficult and I'd love to demystify it for you. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Please feel free to join me on Sunday for Bible studies, Tuesday for cooking videos, and Thursday for sewing or sewing subscription box related content. I really appreciate you joining me today. I hope you have a blessed rest of your day. Bye.